Whoa. It's like a clamshell in here.
Yeah, 6th order, 8 SCAR DDX 12s.
Very nice. Did you have another chew here?
No, this is a kind of a test board. I'm trying it lengthen now, and then I'm going to start moving it forward to shorten it.
Okay, so you have it.
Got it. Just to kind of test.
Yes, sir. So it's a 6th order concept build.
Yeah.
Clamshell build. Okay.
It's my first 6. Not the best design, but...
Yes, sir. Hey, it works. And you see how you have to fine-tune so much on it. Yep.
Yeah, I made a lot of changes already.
Yes, sir. Nice. I know you said you're still not finished with the roof, but the doors look really good too, man.
Yeah, I just finished those literally a day or two before.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Nice. So can you tell me what kind of power is on this and all that?
On the 8 DDX 12s, I got 2 SCAR RP 4500s, and then I got 3 SCAR RP 150.4s running the doors.
Okay.
And then I've got a Jensen on these because SCAR's out of inventory right now. It will be all SCAR, but as soon as they come in.
Okay.
I got a Brand X 390 alternator and a lithium Cyber 12K for battery power.
Nice. I know you said you're still fine-tuning and you got work to do on the roof and all, but...
This puts me at 25 and 50 hertz.
Okay.
And then if I start sliding it forward, it'll bring my upper a little higher.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Can I see the amps?
Yeah.
Amp in the back?
In the side doors.
Okay. Very nice. What are these wired to?
They're strapped to 2 ohms.
Strapped, okay.
Yeah.
Got it. So 1 ohm each. 12K. Very nice.
And all the high amps are on the other.
Yeah, let me go look at that. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of his system at the Slam Fest show in Tampa, Florida area. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Pretty impressive and unique style system to have subwoofers facing in 3 directions in a truck system. So definitely a really tight fit to fit 8 12-inch subs inside of here. So pretty impressive. If anybody ever built a box like this, knowing all of the structure required, there's a lot of bracing and reinforcement inside of this system box to get this. I would actually like to see how it looks inside, but of course, didn't get to put my camera back there behind the port. So all of this power is on a single battery, and then of course that 390 amp alternator underneath the hood. Didn't get to see the alternator, sorry about that, but I did get to see all the amplifier viewing. It's always nice to kind of see how the installs are. Really nice clean wiring job and optimal amount of cubic space for this system. And the tunings was right on spot on for the 6th order, but don't know how much space was in the enclosure with that solid bracing to keep it from flexing. I'm sure he got probably at least a 155 dB on music, I could tell during the demo. Total of 9,000 watts on these 8 12-inch subs. And we are getting to the demo now. Thank y'all for watching my videos. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral, and enjoy this 4-minute bass demo. Pretty crazy. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. All right. Sweet. Nice. I'm talking about a sneak in the house. Whole lot of
that does have good bandwidth too.
Yeah, it does.
I know you said you're still fine tuning. You got work to do on the roof and all, but
this puts me at 50, 25 and 50 hertz.
okay.
And then if I start sliding forward, it'll bring my upper a little higher.
Yes, sir.
But
Very nice. Thank you for the demo.
yeah, no problem.
Nice to meet you again.
You too.